Now I'm going to perform a kind of a little bit detailed explanation about the system. Now, let me clearly define the word system. What is system? System is objects or things that are composed by probably plural number of components and generate certain behavior caused by the interactions among them. So I do believe that students in mechanical engineering, I mean researchers in mechanical engineering and researchers in chemistry and physics and other fields may be dealing with different things. But if we use the word system, probably they could recognize what they are doing in a kind of common methodology. So what I would like to say here must be, so any things in this world may be recognized as a system. So please imagine what you are doing through a research activity. Well, you must be dealing with some kind of system, right? Then here I need to stress one thing. Components that composes the system are also composed by components. So what this means is that components also systems. So here I could stress this point again. Any objects or things in our world may be recognized as a system. Then I have used the word interactions among components. Then what is interactions? I mean action among components. So let me use example when we are saying component 1 acts on component 2. So this means that the change of parameter 1 causes the change of parameter 2, this as shown in this figure. So what a parameter here means is it's a kind of measurable attribute of components. So let me explain about this by using a simple example. So example 1 is cup acts on coffee. So now a cup, just imagine a cup which is component 1 holds coffee which is component 2. So in this case, when the temperature of cup which is parameter 1 increases, the temperature of coffee which is parameter 2 also increases. Now this is one example of cup acts on coffee. This is an example of interactions. Then another example, hand acts on ball. Just imagine a hand which is component 1 is on your hand. It holds a ball which is component 2. Now when you move the location of your hand which is parameter 1, the location of the ball which is parameter 2 also moves. This is also an example of interaction between component 1 and component 2. What's going on here is hand acts on ball, right? Let me explain. Let me show here a simple example of a system, thermometer. Probably you know what is a thermometer is. Thermometer measures temperature. So let me rephrase this so that it seems like a behavior of a system. Thermometer informs person about temperature. Then what's going on in the system of thermometer must be things shown in this figure. The first, air heats glass. Then the glass probably hold, deform, heat, and expand the liquid. Then, on the other hand, glass holds scale. Then the scale and liquid inform the person what the temperature of the air is. So this must be a kind of explanation of thermometer as a system. So thank you for listening. This is all for the explanation about the system.